Good day, my Stitchy family, and welcome to my channel Stitcha-Rella. Today I'm bringing you another marvelous unboxing from Sevengreat. That is www.sevengreat.com. So before I start, I just want to excuse my voice, and if I'm coughing, I am a bit sick, and yeah, coughing we will go. Now let's talk about Sevengreat. Sevengreat is a spectacular store. They've got a nice website. It's nice and neat. You can find anything with a click of a button. They only specialize in cross stitch. Now they do everything cross stitch. They do our favorite cross stitch, they do beaded cross stitch, they've got the newest 9-count cross stitch that I'm going to show to you today. They do the newest embroidery, so they do embroidery as well. I can't say only cross stitch, they're doing embroidery as well, and it is just amazing. I have shown some of them to you before and I absolutely adore them. Now when you order from Sevengreat, you can save a little bit more if you use my discount code, and that is RALA10 off. Now that is big savings, but wait, we're not done. It's even bigger savings. They are still running their Happy Chinese New Year sale, so you can save 12% off site-wide with the code CNY12 off. Now that's still on only for about 21 hours, so if you want to use this, please go and look, because it's not only 12%. It is also buy 4 get 1 free. That means you add 5 to your cart. Buy 8 get 2 free, which means add 10 to your cart. The more you buy, the more you put in, the more you get free. So this is unlimited. The more you put in, you will see in your cart the items will show as free as you add. So I love it. It's amazing. Please go and support them. Really efficient store. Great customer service. Excuse me, I've got a cup of tea here to lather the what do you say in English? Lather the throat. I don't know how to say it, but yeah. Okay, we're good to go again. Alright, so while I was doing that, you were looking at that beautiful flowers, water lilies. They're amazing. You guys know I love them. They're amazing. They go under a few names, but I just adore them. So let's have a look. There are 9 count. They come in a beautiful little plastic reusable envelope with a press button. Now there is a nice picture on top. And this one's 9 count, 80 by 60 centimeters. There you go. Beautiful, right? I think so. It's amazing. Right, so let's have a look here. Ooh, it's beautiful colors. Let's just get the pattern for us. There you go. The pattern is on an A4 carton, double-sided printed, and there is 42 colors full stitch. Very nice. These patterns, the stitches are it's excellent quality. It's really amazing quality. It's Mona Lisa brand. Beautiful. Alright, I'm gonna not put it inside, I'm gonna put it here. I like the pattern separately. Alright, then we've got a little parcel with, let me just put my glasses on because I can't see. I can't breathe. I can't see. Oh my word, what's happening? 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 5 needles, a little snipper, and a needle threader in this little packet. There you go. There's your needle threader, 5 needles, and your little clipper. Okay, so let's have a look at this. I must actually pack it away. I must take a picture of this one. I always forget, right? Okay, so let's see here. Beautiful thick Ada, like I said, it's 9 count. Excuse me. Excuse me. Alright, so the top is the end of the material. That won't fray. The other sides, they are nicely overlocked for us so they don't fray. That's just for our convenience. There is big spaces. There's a big space. There are big open spaces. You can frame it nice. So the top is so big. Then on the bottom is also all the symbols you need. And there's 42 colors. So there's 42 of them. The pattern is the same. So the pattern symbols are the same as the Ada. Now the printing is fabulous. It is bold. It's big and just easy. Now you guys know, before I show you, yeah, you guys know that in 9 count you use a number 22 needle and 4 threads. If you want to do 9 count 10 stitch, you do, yes, 8 threads. Now look at that printing. It is glorious. Amazing, right? Very beautiful stitch. Let me just show you quickly. There we go. Alright, so there it is. Fabulous. Very, very pretty, amazing kit. Nice. Alright, so let's have a look at the pretties. Oh, my stitchy soul. I love the color cards these came on. These color cards work extremely well because for me they're just easy. They're not knotted, nothing. They're just beautiful. Excuse me. Okay, so we've got 1 to 22. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Amazing, right? I think it's beautiful. And then we've got 23 to 42. There you go. Amazing product. Now while I show them to you together, I just want to ask, if it's the first time watching my channel, please be so kind to subscribe. It's for free, and by doing that you won't miss my other videos and you motivate me to make more videos for you. There you go. Look at that. Amazing. I think it's fabulous, amazing kit. I absolutely adore it. Alright, so I just want to take this little, while I put this all together, to thank Sevengreat. You guys are awesome. This product is amazing. I absolutely adore it. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. And then I want to talk to you guys. Thank you for always watching and supporting me. You guys do mean the world to me. Till next time, lots of love. Stitcha-Rella.